Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to touch on how to automate your Instagram posts with your Hermes agent. This is a post that is currently on my Instagram page, STL Percy. Follow for those of you who are new here. And this post was actually posted and created by my Hermes agent. The entire caption, the hashtags, the visuals were all pretty much created by my AI agent. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set something like this up and automate it. So let's dive into it. So to start this whole process, you need to have access to the Hermes agent. And if you've never set up Hermes, I will link a video below in the comment and pin it on how to actually set up your Hermes AI agent. You're also going to need access to Higgsfield.ai, and I will include those instructions and a video on how to add Higgsfield AI to your Hermes agent. The entire process leverages 4 simple steps, and that is creating the content, storing it in Google Drive, and then ultimately posting it on Instagram and scheduling it so it is automated. Once you have those 4 processes in mind and the right tools, you can automate your social media posting on Instagram leveraging Hermes AI agent. So the first tool that we leverage to connect all these pieces together is Composio. Within Composio, you're able to authenticate your Instagram account and your Google Drive account. So when you're on composio.dev, you go ahead and log in, and the first thing you want to do is set up your API key. The best way to set up your API key is by pulling an API key in the left column here, creating it, naming it whatever you want, making sure read all is selected. So we'll call it test. And then once you've created your API key, you want to go ahead and copy this API key and put it in the environment of your agent. If you've never added an API key into the environment of your agent, my video on how to set up Hermes goes through that. Once you have set this up, your agent is now connected to Composio. So to set up Google Drive, you click Toolkit, and then Google Drive will appear right here. If it does not appear, you can always search it in the tab bar above as well. Once you click Google Drive, you want to go ahead and click Add Project. And then from Add Project, you can name it whatever you want here for the configuration name, and then click Next. It'll ask you to authenticate, and it'll have these pre-selected as Composio managing. Just leave these as they are and click the Create Authentication. Once your authentication is completed, click on this little arrow, click Connect Account, and now this pop-up will come asking you to select which Google account you want your Google Drive to be accessed through. You can click on the account that you want. Mine is already connected, and you just click through the continue buttons until you have successfully authenticated and connected Composio to your Google Drive, to your Composio account. Once your Google Drive has been connected, the next step is then to connect your Instagram. So you go to Toolkit, and in the top bar here, you can search Instagram. And it's the same. It's going to be an authenticated process. So you click on Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your Instagram first before going through this process. You can name this whatever you want. I will just leave it for the test purposes as is. Same steps, authentication and managed by Composio. Create authentication. Click this little arrow. Click Add Account. And then this pop-up will come up again asking for Composio to get access to your Instagram, which you can then click Allow. And you'll get this notice successfully connected. And that's all you need. Once those have been connected, now we go to the prompting. So we make sure that our agent within Telegram has access to these tools. After connecting Instagram and Google Drive in Composio, you're going to need a tool router to be built by your AI agent. So you can leverage this prompt. I connected Instagram and Google Drive to Composio through auth, build a Composio tool router for Instagram and Google Drive connected to Hermes agent, and verify both connections. Once you've done this, your Hermes agent will be able to build the tool router, which basically is able to connect it on its end to Composio. Once the Hermes agent confirms that that has been done, the next prompt is then to ask it to create a Google Drive folder. This is where you're going to get organized and save your different images that are being generated for your Instagram. So the prompt on this will be create a Google Drive folder and label it Instagram automation. Once that's completed, then the next step is to actually create the visuals. And this is where it's going to leverage Higgsfield. So before you put in this prompt, make sure you have access to Higgsfield.ai, or if you have access to a ChatGPT API or Gemini API, this can also work as well. But basically you need a vendor that can generate images for you. So the example prompt I wrote for this is create an Instagram post in our style, explaining some practical use cases of the Hermes agent, add some cool visuals of the Hermes female logo, and add the slide to our folder in Google Drive called Instagram automation. And this is basically just telling the agent to review all my previous posts on Instagram and then create a style or a similar visual of what I've been posting. If you've never posted before, then I would suggest that you just ask it to create something, or maybe even give it a sample visual of a post you like or a style that you like. If you like realistic images, say you want realistic images. If you want graphs, say you want graphs. So just be very specific on what you want that visual to look like. So once you've entered your prompt into Telegram, your AI agent will then start leveraging all the different tools that it has access to, and it'll ultimately be able to build the visual that you are looking for. And this is what mine ultimately gave me. It created the final pieces for me, which I can preview right here, which I really liked. But then it also gave me a link to where all these different images are actually stored in the Google Drive. And when I click this link, it'll open to that very specific Google Drive, and all those images are listed in here. So it's a nice way to stay organized and have it listed. And again, remember, this is a staged place, so it's not published. The reason why I set this up this way is so that I can then review that information first before asking it to go ahead and post it. So if we go back to our prompts, the next prompt here then is really about posting it on Instagram. Once you like what that looks like, it's just post it to my Instagram page. It's that simple. And that's what I also prompted my agent. I said, perfect, now I'll post this on my Instagram. And it went and started accessing a few tools and ultimately posted it to my Instagram. And when we click this link here, it will open our Instagram page and it'll show you exactly where the posts are. And you can scroll through it, and it's built all this consistency, nice visuals, a nice topic here with some key points and even some hashtags. So really, really cool that this was done by my AI agent. So the final prompt is scheduling and setting this up to run automatically. Here's a prompt I would use. Research the latest news on the X topic. Let's say you have a very specific topic at 8 a.m. every day, and then generate images using Gemini, Nano Banana, or ChatGPT Imagen 2 or Higgsfield, whatever visual software you have integrated with your Hermes agent, and then store it in our Instagram folder that we created. And then when it's ready, send me the link to the finished images. I will review, respond with approve, which means you can then post it at 5 p.m. If I don't approve by 5 p.m., move that image to an archive folder and generate a new one for the next day. So what this prompt is basically saying is, go out and research on a very specific topic at this time, then generate some visuals for me, put it in a folder where I can review, send me a link, I'll open it up on my phone, and then I'll respond with approve. And if I send approve, then post it at a very specific time. Now, if I don't approve by that specific time, then go ahead and move it to an archive folder and basically don't post it. You can run it this way. This is how I run mine, because I want to make sure that I actually like what is being posted and it's content that I'm actually happy with, versus sometimes maybe the images are not up to par with what I'm looking for. So that's why I have that approval step. If you prefer not having the approval step, you can actually just remove this and just ask it to research at this time, create the visuals at this time, put it in the folder, and then post at this time without any approvals needed. And it will run automatically. You can also tell it to do it every single day, 365 days out of the year, twice a day, and it'll keep posting as long as you have credits. And this goes to our final step. What are some of the things that could actually break this whole process down? So a final step is really focused on what are some of the things that could actually lead to a breakdown of this whole automation. It's really three things. One would be your API credits run out. So if you're using OpenAI or Claude or Kimi, any of these language models to run your AI agent, make sure you don't run out of credits. If you run out of credits, obviously your agent will stop working. Second would be your bill for your virtual private server. I run mine on Hostinger. So I have my Hostinger bill on autopay. And that means that my AI agent is always going to be running 24/7. So if I don't make a payment on that bill, then my AI agent could be turned off and my services will be turned off. So at that point, you can definitely lose access. Three would be the image generator. If you're using Higgsfield.ai and you don't have credits there as well, then you would not be able to generate some of those images. And then Composio is actually free. I'm still on the free plan. They have a paid plan based on usage. So if you have a lot of automations going on every month, then you definitely want to upgrade to the paid plan. But I'm still on the free tier, so I'm not really hit some significant automations to the point where I need to pay to automate this whole process. So to finalize, this whole process is a real use case scenario where you can leverage your Hermes agent to automate your entire social media. The cool thing about Composio is it doesn't only connect to Instagram. You can also connect it to X. You can connect it to Reddit. You can connect it to a bunch of other tools. So really, depending on your use case, it really unlocks access for your Hermes agent. So today on my Instagram, you can go check it out. It's STL Percy, and you will be able to see the actual post that we went through on the demo shown right here, and all the slides actually working. And as you can see, it's still there. It's not fake, it's real, and it was all done by my AI agent. So hopefully you learned something from today's video. And if you enjoy this type of content, want to learn more about AI agents as I test out all these different use cases on AI agents and automations, please give this a like, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.